Let's talk about something most students get wrong when applying for jobs. You keep describing yourself as a student, but employers aren't hiring students. They're hiring contributors. And that shift from student to contributor starts with how you talk about yourself. You don't need to lie. You don't need to inflate. You just need to reframe. In this video, I'll show you how to stop writing like you're still in class and start showing up like someone who knows how to deliver value. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see. Most students fill their resume with what I call potential language. Lines like, looking to apply my skills in a fast-paced environment, interested in growing my knowledge of business operations, eager to learn from industry professionals. This kind of language sounds polite, but it does not sell you. Because when you lead with what you hope to do, you're putting the burden on the employer to take a chance on you. What they actually want to see is proof. Proof that you've already started doing something useful, even if it wasn't in a paid job, even if it happened in a classroom or side project or student club. So how do you show proof when you haven't had a full-time job yet? You reposition your experience. Let me show you how. Say you were part of a team that planned a college event. Most students write, organized college fest as part of student committee. That sounds like you were there, but not like you did anything specific. Now let's flip it. Led outreach and logistics for college fest with 500 attendees, managed vendor coordination and volunteer schedules. Same event, different story. Now you're not just a participant, you're a contributor. That is the shift. Let's take another one. Say you built a project for class, maybe a marketing plan or a business simulation. Most students say, completed project on marketing strategy as part of coursework. But that doesn't show initiative. It sounds like you followed instructions. Now watch this. Developed go-to-market strategy for a fictional app as part of a marketing project, conducted user surveys, and created a launch roadmap. Again, the task didn't change. But the language shows ownership. It shows that you understand what real work looks like and you're already practicing it. Every project, every volunteer experience, every time you took initiative, all of that is usable. You just need to extract it. Here's how you do that. Ask yourself 3 questions for anything you're listing. 1. What problem did I help solve? 2. What was my exact role? 3. What changed because of what I did? Answer those 3, and you've got a solid bullet point. And if you can add a number, even better. Numbers are not just for finance or data roles. They give your story weight. Did 100 people attend the event? Did you improve response time? Did you coordinate 5 tasks at once? Use numbers? They make vague stories real. Here's one more trick. Replace passive verbs with active ones. Don't say, was involved in, or helped with. Say, led, built, coordinated, managed, executed, or delivered. Active language tells the recruiter, you didn't just show up. You contributed. You might be wondering, but what if I really don't have anything that impressive? Let me tell you something most students forget. Real contribution is not about scale, it's about responsibility. If you took charge of something, even if it was small, it counts. If you ran a social media page for a club, if you built a Notion tracker for your classmates, if you organized a study group and it worked, that's value. You don't need a salary slip to prove that you can think, lead, build, and solve. You just need to frame it in the language of contribution. Let's recap what we covered. Stop writing like a student. Start sounding like someone who knows how to create outcomes. Cut vague lines. Cut filler. Cut potential. Instead, show proof. Be specific. Highlight what you've done, how you did it, and what changed because of it. Because when your resume reads like a list of responsibilities and results, not hopes and interests, you stop getting ignored. You start getting callbacks. In the next video, we'll take this a step further. You'll learn how to show proof even outside your resume, in portfolios, online content, and simple public signals. But for now, go back to your resume or LinkedIn and rewrite 3 bullet points using the method we just covered. Pick 1 project, 1 event, or 1 initiative. Answer the 3 questions. Add active language. Add numbers where you can. This is how you stop being seen as just another student. and start being seen as someone ready to contribute. Let's keep going. If this helped shift how you think about your experience, give the video a like. It helps more students discover this and start showing up with confidence. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff videos like this.
Find your unique value, let it free, stand tall, rise up, be who you wanna be. Your story matters, sing it loud and clear. You got that spark, ignite it without fear.